Here we are at this final question, number 8. Okay, so a local supply store charges $18 to set up their business card printing machine. Okay, let's talk about this 18 bucks right here. We're gonna pay this $18 no matter what. That's just for the setup. If you buy one business card or 100 business cards, you still gotta pay that 18 bucks for the setup, all right? So that's not gonna need any variables with it. It's just 18 bucks, this flat rate, to set up the machine. Now, we also got to pay 15 cents in materials per business card. So that's for every card printed, we're going to pay 15 cents. And then it says select all the equations that could represent this expression for the cost. Here's this cost of printing X amount of business cards. Okay, let's go back over here to this 15 cents per business card. Let's write the 15 down here. It's going to be 18 plus 0.15, the 15 cents. Now, every card, we need to multiply this times X, because every card we're going to pay 15 cents. You buy one card, you pay 15 cents. You buy two cards, you pay 30 cents. You buy three cards, 15 times 3, you're going to pay 45 cents. You buy 10 business cards, you're paying $1.50. All right, and now look where it says the cost of printing a batch of X business cards. Select all equations that represent an equation for the average cost. All right, we're going to have to divide by the number of cards we sell. Okay, this tells me how much I'm going to pay in total, but we want to know how much we're paying per card. So let's divide it by how many business cards we printed. So this X and this X represent the same thing, how many cards we print. We're going to pay 15 cents per each card we want printed. We're going to add it to the 18 bucks we paid. And then we're going to divide it by how many cards we printed to see how much each one cost. Okay, so is that over there? Do I have anything that looks like this? I'm thinking, here's one. Normally I would be done right there, right? But they said select all. Usually they're not going to say select all if it's just one answer. What else could we do here? Okay, they simplified this. You know why we were simplifying it? We want to see what this cost is going to approach as X gets larger and larger. This is kind of what you call a improper fraction. So let's divide this out. Can we simplify this a little bit? This is equal to, let's see if I can change my color here. Okay, now look, 18 doesn't have an X. Okay, I can't divide 18 by X. It's just 18 over X. The 18 is stuck in that numerator right there. But look, the 0.15, it's times X. I could divide this and get that 15 cents out of there. So let's rewrite this. We got the 15x divided by x is just 15 cents. And then we said we get the 18 is stuck up there. We can't get it out. It's just 18 over x. It's got no x's to pull out. So 15 plus 18 over x. And once again, why do we write stuff like this? Because we want to see what happens when x gets really, really large. If we print like 1,000 business cards, right? Let's say x was 1,000. We print 1,000 business cards. 18 divided by 1,000, it's going to get closer to 0. You're not even going to notice that 18 bucks once you buy 1,000 business cards because it's 18 divided by 1,000. I mean, what is that? Let's take a look at that. 18 divided by 1,000. Look, 0.08. That's pretty small. If you did the $18 divided by a million business cards, it's getting smaller and smaller, closer and closer to zero. So this is approaching zero. We got this pizza we're slicing into 1,000, a million slices. Our price per card is going to get closer and closer to that 15 cents that we're paying for each card. So where's that one at? It's right here. Looks like F down here. So we got these two answers. 18 over X plus 15. The cost of these business cards, you could say the end behavior is approaching 15 cents as X gets larger and larger.